The blue is meant the tranquility. It also can mean friendship. Everyone always likes a bit of blue decorate the workplace. Many times, when time permits, the feeling of seeing the sky from work is a pleasure that is manifested in all cultures. Blue is a natural color, represents the sky or the sea, and has a calming effect that it is always recommended by the designers to people who have difficulty acquiring sleep. Although too blue could depress the spirit or become to calm people. Cultural significance of the blue in many cultures. Blue means peace, is used in many religious ceremonies, and it is said that evil spirits away. The blue color conveys importance and confidence without falling into being sombre or sad. The blue suits of the executives of large companies symbolize power, and the police around the world tend to use the color blue for their uniforms. The logos of companies that use the color blue is usually associated with intelligence, stability, unity, and conservatism.